Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Masai Jump. First, find a stable, non-slip surface, like a gym floor or soft mat, to ensure safety throughout your workout. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart, keeping a slight bend in your knees and your core engaged. Your posture should be upright yet relaxed, with your gaze fixed forward. This foundational stance is crucial for initiating the powerful movements that follow, preparing your body for dynamic exertion while maintaining balance. To execute the jump, begin by lowering your hips slightly, as if you are about to sit in a chair, while simultaneously swinging your arms backward for momentum. Then, explosively drive through your heels, extending your ankles, knees, and hips, propelling yourself upward with power. As you ascend, bring your knees toward your chest, aiming for maximum height. Land softly on the balls of your feet, immediately rolling back onto your entire foot, absorbing the impact by bending your knees to prevent strain. Once comfortable with the basic movement, you can begin integrating the Masai Jump into your routine for enhanced fitness. Try performing 3 sets of 10 to 12 repetitions, with 60 seconds of rest between each set, 2 to 3 times a week. For an increased challenge, consider adding a slight pause at the top of your jump or incorporating a quarter turn during the airborne phase. Always ensure your form remains precise, even as you introduce variations, to maximize benefits and minimize injury risk. Safety is paramount. Always prioritize proper form over the number of repetitions or height of your jump. Listen carefully to your body, stopping if you experience any sharp pain or discomfort, as pushing through pain can lead to injury. Gradually increase your intensity and volume as your strength and endurance improve, perhaps adding 1 or 2 repetitions per set each week. Consistency, combined with a focus on technique, will lead to significant gains in agility, power, and overall athletic performance over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.